Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss most important questions of 1st and 2nd of January, and I know it's being late, but take it as your revision session and try to pause the video and give your answer before me. And after completing this video, I will left you with some questions for your homework. Please use comment box if you know the answers of the respective questions. So let's start the video. So the first question is, John Fulton Reid was the former cricketer of which country? I use the word was. That means he was recently passed away. He is recently passed away and he was former cricketer of New Zealand. Yes. So please remember the name John Fulton Reid. Next, Indra Joseph Venier was the first English news announcer who passed away, was associated with which radio? So friends, please remember that she was the first English news announcer of Travancore Radio, and she passed away recently. Please remember her name, Indra Joseph Venier, as she was the first lady, first English news announcer. And if you know from where she belongs, then write down in comment box. Green propulsion technology is developed by which organization? So this is one more important question about this organization, and I will give you a hint. Headquarter of this organization is in Bangalore, and the chairman is K. Sivan. Yeah, your guess is absolutely right. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, and the K. Sivan is in news. If you know why he is in news, write down in comments. Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana, the crop relief scheme, is associated with which state? So you have to give the name of the state from which this crop relief scheme is associated with. So as the name suggests, this scheme is related with crops, and this scheme will replace government's crop insurance scheme, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana will be replaced by this scheme, and this scheme is associated with Jharkhand. Which state launched a mobile application, DigiNest, to enable people to have digital access to the directory of state government? This initiative brings transparency and efficiency in the entire process of state government through this app. Great initiative by which state? You have to give the name. Yes, it's Punjab. Indian government approved extension of Chairman of Space Commission and Secretary of Department of Space. Name the chairman. Yes, as I already asked you in the previous question, this man is in news. So this is the reason that K. Sivan is in news, because our Indian government approved extension of this of Chairman of Space Commission and Secretary of Department of Space, and none other than K. Sivan. And if examiner asks you about the extension period, so you have to give the answer as 1 year. So his extension of 1 year has been approved by government. Name the country which permit drones to fly over people and at night in the country. So this country is United States of America. You already know this. This is a significant step towards their use for widespread commercial deliveries. Which country generated over half of its power from wind due to the storm named Bela? So one thing is important in this question is, first, the storm name, that is Bela, and United Kingdom, that is Britain, is the country who generate over half of its power from this wind, from wind due to this storm Bela. Thobal Multipurpose Project has been inaugurated in which state? So the Thobal Multipurpose Project has been inaugurated in Manipur. As per the RBI, what percentage of inflation is appropriate for India? So for India, the percentage of inflation which is appropriate for India is 4%, and it is decided by RBI. India's first remote monitoring system of gas turbines is in which state? So the first remote monitoring system of gas turbines is in Hyderabad. Now this is a most important question according to me. Adopt a heritage, that is Apni Dharohar Apni Pehchan, is a scheme implemented by Ministry of Tourism in association with which union ministry? So you have to give the name. So please don't mark Ministry of Tourism as your answer, as it comes under Ministry of Culture. So adopt a heritage, Apni Dharohar Apni Pehchan, is associated with Ministry of Culture. So it comes under Ministry of Culture with Ministry of Tourism. Vistadone coach, which is manufactured by Integral Coach Factory, is a dash, that is passenger coach, tourist coach, journal coach or business coach. So first of all, I would like to tell you that Integral Coach Factory is in Chennai, and this coach, this Vistadone coach, is tourist coach. So it is a tourist coach. What is Gavi? Gavi. You have to give the full form of Gavi, as nowadays it is in news, Global Alliance for Vaccine and Immunization. So please don't confuse in the options. So the goal of Gavi is to increase access to immunization in poor countries. So the answer is fourth option. Skyroot Aerospace, a Hyderabad, Telangana based company, successfully fired a solid propulsion rocket engine named what? So here are the options: Kalam 4, Kalam 5, Kalam 6 and Kalam 7. So in this question, two things are important. First, the name of the aerospace, that is Skyroot, and second one is because examiner may ask the question in reverse form also. So remember the aerospace name, and the second is rocket name, that is Kalam 5. So Kalam 5 is the right answer. India's first indigenously designed and developed air-droppable container, which was recently tested, is Sahayak NG, Sahayak IG, Sahyog NG or Sahyog IG. The options are look alike, but don't confuse, choose a definite answer. So the answer is Sahayak NG. What is the name of the application of the National Highways Authority of India, that is NHAI, for FASTag users? So it is an electronic toll collection system in India operated by the National Highway Authority of India, that is NHAI, and the name of the application is My FASTag. Not your FASTag, not I FASTag, not we FASTag, or the options are so similar, but answer is My FASTag. So please remember it. India's first ethanol plant will be set up in which state? So the first ethanol plant will be set up in Chhattisgarh. Please remember the name of the state, Chhattisgarh. The first ethanol plant is in Chhattisgarh, or will be set up in Chhattisgarh. Name the committee recommended the National Common Mobility Card, that is NCMC. So the answer is Nandan Nilekani Committee. So Nandan Nilekani Committee, with the tagline of One Nation One Card, it is an automatic fare collection system. Either you are traveling from metro or by bus, by railway, etc. So this is Nandan Nilekani Committee. Perry Cardin, who recently passed away, was a famous designer of which country? He was the famous designer of France. Yeah, so Perry Cardin belongs from France, and he was the famous designer. So that's all for today. So as I told you, I will give you a homework. So here is your homework. You all have to answer the states from which the respective mines or national parks or lakes belongs, and you know all the places are in news recently. So that's all for today. We will meet in next video for sure.